Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we will know how to register for the TOEFL IBT test step by step. We will not waste any time, just come on guys. So here we will just look for ETS TOEFL and we'll move here and we'll see this educational testing service. We'll just click here, the TOEFL tests. And here you should choose a test taker. You're not score user, just test taker. And here we have TOEFL test, TOEFL IBT. It's not essential because we are gonna take TOEFL IBT here. Just click register. So it opened this page. There are some important notifications here. Enhanced TOEFL IBT. They have changed the form of the test on 26th of July 2023, and you can read them. Just click here, create an account. Alright, this is why we are here. So the first name and the middle name and last name, they should be at the same as the ID card or your passport, or that the ID or that the document that you will use when you apply for this. So just put your real name. Okay, next, your gender, your date of birth, nothing new. The username you should write and something that you can memorize. Alright, the city, the state, the postal code. Actually, if you don't have a postal code, you can just write 5 zeros. Okay, just your native language and the other things, and you will click here continue. Alright, after clicking continue, you will get here, just click here no thanks and continue. Go here and I acknowledge and understand the terms, and submit here. Your account has been created. Just sign in to my TOEFL home. Alright, after signing in, you'll see here test preparation. You can buy some books, your test preparation and test takers, anything. Tests and scores will come back later for this. But for now, just click here, register for a test, because you want to take the test. Just register for test. As you can see here, register for a test. Select the test you want to take. We want to take TOEFL IBT, of course, in the test center, not at home or essential. Just click here. So here you're gonna find a test location, the date that you want to take the test. I recommend you at least a month before the test. And we are gonna just search here. So as you can see here, the date of today that I'm recording my video, it's at 14th of September. So here, if you clicked here, it's not the same because it's late, so you're gonna pay more, about $40 just before, because you're taking the test late, you're registering late. But as you can see here, 24, it's good time. As you can see here, it's this is the center, Amidest Aiden. These are the fees. If you have a credit card or PayPal account or anything. If you don't have a PayPal card and you can't pay online, just talk to the center, contact with the center, and they will give you a voucher, of course, with more, about $20 or $25 to pay more. So if we decided to take this, we are gonna just view available times, and you can see here it's at 10 a.m. in the morning. Just click on the time that you want. So we choose the test center, and you have to apply here, and are just they are not important. Just answer anything. Why do you want to apply for the test? Where do you want to travel or study? Just select anything, undergraduate, literate, your specialization. They are not important. Just click continue. And here, your personal score report preference. If you want to get the paper, the report, the certificate of TOEFL test on a paper, you should ask them online course, and it will be sent into your location that you have applied. But if the center that you are applying for is not suitable to get a paper, just click here and online score report only. It's not a big deal actually. There's no different, there's nothing. Just maybe some universities, they'll ask you for this paper, but in general the online report will be enough. All the information you have applied and all the things, just I acknowledge and understand the terms. Just click here continue. In this page they are offering you some ads, guides, books, courses, values, backs. Just click continue. So here, how to apply and how to pay the fees. So here you can find the fees of the test, 195. So if you have a voucher, you don't have a PayPal or Visa card or anything, just you can contact with the center itself. As me here, I'm a guest agent, I can contact with them and they will ask me to transfer or to give them cash money, and they will give me a voucher. This voucher you will use it here, and it will make it just 0, and you can proceed for the next payment. If you have a PayPal or anybody, your dad, your father, your uncle, anybody that just give him your money as cash or anything, and use his credit card and proceed to payment. Okay, this is the last checkout. Just they are making sure that you are gonna pay, so you can use your credit card, PayPal, anything, and all are 195. These are my my location, my email, my number phone. And after you process the payment, you will they will send you your details. I'm not gonna use my details here because I have already taken the test, and I'm not taking the test again for now, maybe in the future. Thank you so much. And okay, after you finish the test, after you have taken the test, how to get your score, your result, we can see here. Just you are gonna click here, view score, and score, and this is where I have taken the test. View scores, view most recent, my best scores. Oh, about my best scores, the validity of the TOEFL test is 2 years. So after 2 years you can't, why did they put this validity? Because before the ending of these 2 years, you can take the test again, and they will give you the best scores. The best scores, they will take the best between those tests that you have taken. So if you got 20 at reading for the first time, and the second time you got 23 or 24, so they will give you 23. They will take the best of these results, this score. Also, there's a request score review. If you did well at the exam and you expected yourself to get 25 or 26 and you got 10, and just you're asking them for a request score review, but it's really expensive, $80. just because for one review, for one specific skill. If you want to review for reading, for example, it will cost you $80. If you want to review the listening, it will take $80. So if you want to request a score review for reading and listening, it will cost you $160. So just you can take the test again and again because the cost here is so expensive. So you can view your scores in here. So as you can see here, these are the scores. Of course, I won't tell you what are my scores. It's my privacy. Here you can see the best scores. If you got, as I told you about the best scores, so you can order score reports or print and download PDF report. If you order a score report, it will cost you, I think, $20 or something like this, but I don't think it's useful for you. Just print it and download the PDF report. It's for free and it will be good for you. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have anything to ask me or anything, you just contact me. Okay guys, now you can register for the TOEFL IBT test. Congratulations, take care and good luck.